need to have our morning chat, and it's all got to do with this story that's made the front page of the Daily Nation. How a McWenny family stole billions in the United States. There's a gentleman who called in earlier when we were having our very early morning chat, and he said he can understand people stealing money in this day and age that we are living in. There is a lot of bile, but I'm trying to understand where it's coming from. When you were saying this is genius, easy.
Yeah, jamaa America. Hata FBI waliopatia standing ovation. Kuna kutafuta ingine, hiyo sana kutafuta. Nasemi wizi, ndio wizi si nzuri. Huyo hakuna tenda, hakuna bullet, hakuna mtu ameumia, tumuzee ndio huto, tutalipwa eventually. Yeah?
I swear.
How they manage even to send that money here? Yeah? And withdraw immediately. Yeah?
I want us to have a very honest conversation today, because I think we need to discuss this. Do you understand someone stealing money in this day and age? Because this has got national repercussions. If you had the chance today, to get a tender, Ministry of Health, Corona ini, would you take it? Or would you report those people to the authorities?
I love you.
You see, listen to Kenyans. How do we even have a hope in hell of fighting this thing called corruption if all of us would gladly partake? A lot of us are angry with corruption because we are not there.
Whistleblowers.
Would you be a whistleblower? If you had the chance to be involved in mega theft? And I want us to be honest. Seriously.
No, everyone wants to be a politician.
So why do we always attack them for their corruption, yet we are the same way?
Because hatujafika huko.
It's because hatujafika huko.
Ukiingia huko unanyamaza, unasahau.
Me can't steal. Imagine me, I can't.
Ile pesa babako aliiba ni mingi sana Maina. Hawezi maliza. Yeah?
Ile aliiba ni mwingi sana.
Mingi.
Let me ask you, give me a call on 0711-046-105. If you got the chance to do what these Wakambas did, this McWenny family, would you do it? Would you do it?
Tenda ndio hii.
If you had the chance to be part of Golden Bag, would you be? And I want us to be honest. Would you whistle blow?
Ndio hii pesa inaibiwa kwa kampuni ya Muhindi.
Yes. And maybe it needs your signature somewhere. Would you play ball? Let's be honest with each other. 0711-046-105 is my number. Give me a call. Ama umeitiwa kakitu, Ministry of Health, supply PPEs, sanitizer,
mask,
supply 20 tons of or even 1 ton of sanitizers.
Talete mpaka hewa. Loritano za tipa.
Would you? And I want us to be honest today, because how we are reflects in the society we live in.
By the way, Kenyans are not thieves, eh? We are not thieves.
Who would whistle blow?
Now, be our Tanzanians think we are thieves.
Sana.
Where's yao?
There was a day Mbosso told me, vipi mkora?
Unasikia? Wanasema tulioibia mpaka ndege. And they will never change.
But tuliwaibia ndege.
Tukuwaibia.
Tuliwaibia.
Ziliruka, zilipofika kwa cross border, tuka decide.
Hiyo ni wizi. Huo ni wizi.
Mashauri ilikufia hapo hiyo kampuni ya.
If you had the chance today, this a njama going on in your office, it needs your signature. The amount is 100 million.
Wewe unasema pesa mingi sana, by the way.
100 million.
Unafikiriaga pesa mingi sana.
Why would anyone steal $1 million?
Right.
For what?
Maina shuka kidogo wewe na wewe pia tukule mutura na wewe hapa. Ashinda huko juu. Toka Kempiski bwana. Kuja hapa Mpambe. Yeah? Kuja nikupeleka hoteli inaitwa It is Here.
It is
Iko Islands. Unakula mpaka unasema
ati inaitwaje mkawa?
It is here.
It is here. Give me a call on 0711-046-105 tafadhali. Hit me up on Twitter at it's MAINA KAGENI wa Classic 105 Kenya. Hashtag is MAINA King. And you hit me up on my fan page on Facebook. You've got the chance. There's a njama that needs your signature or your cooperation. Would you be part of it? Amount, okay, let's put 20 million.
Aye.
But do you di kumingi?
That's a lot of money.
Oh my God. So how much should we put it at?
As a 100,000.
Aye.
200.
100,000. All you're doing is going out for one night. 100,000.
Wacha kufikiria hizo pesa mingi.
Why would anyone steal 100,000? I want honesty because honesty is the best policy. What would you do? We're talking about if you got the chance to be part of a mega scandal. We always hate on politicians and we say the one thing that's killing this country is corruption. But a caller earlier on this morning said, I can understand why people steal. Do you understand? Do you get it? If you're part of a njama that requires your signature for 50 million shillings to go missing, would you be part of it? Miss Njogu, Mamfidi and Rita, good morning. Saying, by especially in government offices, ukiona watu wakifinya deals out, it's either you join them or shut up. Let them do their thing. What? Kange Justin Kange saying, unasema mega scandal. Even a minor one, I'll jump into it. Like a frog into a river. Kevo Munge saying, look at the life children of those who stole land are living. My kids also deserve to be called cool kids. And I don't want them to be asked, Baba wengine wakiiba baba yenyu alikuwa akidu. I'll steal everything they used to be stolen. Guy! Samji, you're asking, is there anyone who wants to get rich slowly? Let's be honest, I believe there's none. Give me a $50 million deal. Mtanifuata mchoke. They're saying it's an opportunity that I've never come across. I will be in for that deal. I'm always bitter because I was not involved in those deals. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. My God. Hey. So, there's a deal going down. It's worth 50 million. It needs your involvement for it to work. Would you play ball? That's a question I'm asking this morning. Hello?
Hello, Maina.
Morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Now, for security reasons, I'm going to be calling myself Iris from West Pokot.
Okay, Iris.
Now, about the same issue that you are talking about, uliwahi sikia ile kitu ambayo mtu alisema, aliulizwa swali. If you are given $1 million, are you going to ban your certificates? That guy said that I'm going to ban even the National Examination Council.
Even the school.
Even the school, I'll be telling that they are going to ban everything. Now, the end justifies the means. Now, these guys, what they did is all about what they wanted to get at the end of the day.
Would you do the same thing?
My friend, give me $10,000 and I'll show you what I can do. Now,
$1 million shillings.
Yeah, just give me $1 million shillings, then we talk about what I can do. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the end, what is going to be justified by what I did. Now, let's look at these people. People are talking about they are being cambers, and we all know the stereotype being that Kikuyus are the only thieves.
Yeah.
Now, let's look at Kisis. Kisis are known for all the camotes and all the whatevers and running up and down at night. Now, when you hear a Kisii person is doing something that is totally different, you will start wondering, like, how did it end up that these guys are doing this? So it's all about what you need at the end of the day. And as for me, just to say what I can is that if I knew those guys and we had been in talking terms or something like that, I would even help them where to hide the loot for a period of time, then you go and share it out. At the end of the day, it's just all about the end, which justifies the means that we get what we need.
Wow.
Thank you, Maina.
Thank you. That is so sad.
In fact, the question ungeuliza, you know, they were recruiting people and relatives to rob American taxpayers, 3 billion.
Yeah.
The question is, if you had been recruited, if you would have partaken of that. Eh? They were recruiting. Ndio hii deal. Ndio hii. Eh? Ndio hii.
My God.
Ha.
Hello.
Hello, Maina.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Maina.
Yes.
Ngoja nikuambie. Hii nchi lazima mtu aibe. Mimi hata nikicholewa milioni 10 nitachora juu. Niambie nani ameshikwa juu ya kuiba.
So ukipata nafasi utaiba.
Mimi ndapita nazo juu. Niambie nani. Kamlesh hako nje, ni pastor sahi. Waigoro wako nje, NYS. Hakuna mtu ameshikwa. Wakishikwa ujui ni aje wanapapaswa. Nani ameiba? Kakuyu ameiba mashamba. Ako nje. Nani ameshikwa? Nipe mmoja, Maina. Maina, nipe mmoja ameshikwa. Huyo amewekwa ndani juzi Waruke na huyo mama mwingine. Sasa hii tunasikia mchango imechango ya almost 1 billion watoke. Hata wanaambio ni wazee. Ni wazee wangapi wako jera? Na makesi mbaya hata kushinda ya Waruke na hawahesabiwi miaka yao. Maina, niambie nipe mtu mmoja wa Kenya amefungwa juu ya kuiba pesa kubwa. Nipe.
Okay.
Unaweka mawakili, uko na nguvu ya kuweka mawakili. Ipa milioni 100 uweke mawakili. Uwapatie 30 milioni 70 ukule ukiwa nje.
Wow. Okay.
Niambie, nipe mtu mmoja nipe, niambie kwa sababu umekuwa kwa media, hata mimi ni mzee Maina. Niko na miaka 51, nipe mtu mmoja amefungwa jera. Ya kuiba. Nobody. Hakuna mtu amefungwa.
Okay.
Hata wale wanaiba mpaka KBS ziliisha, barabara zimeisha, wakina wale wanatangaza wamekula mahoteli kubwa kubwa. Nani amefungwa?
Okay.
Na una support hapo nyuma.
Niko na mtu rafiki yangu anaitwa Ajira. Mimi naitwa Karanja, natoka area inaitwa Njoro Jawadho.
Na huyo jamaa mwingine anaitwaje?
Supporter.
Anaitwa Osman Washira.
Okay.
Anasema na ananiambia tunakuraga shida tukiwa huku majivichoni, unakura shida, unaona mtu anapita huku na maprado. Ukisema ni mwizi, dakika moja unaweza jipata hata ndani. Sahi kuwa whistleblower uone kama utarara nje. Tangaza mtu mmoja, nipe whistleblower mmoja ako nje uone, ukitangaza jioni risasi ni yako.
Okay, asante sana. What about you getting the chance to be part of a mega scandal? Would you? Got someone who called in early on and said, I can understand why people steal. And if I had the chance, my God, I would. Wow. Kush Juma, good morning. You're saying, nikuuliza. Nayo kaende. Tuendete. Biashara muhimu. Tweet, you're asking, who doesn't want a good life? Kwani kazi itakuwa ya kuajiriwa tu? Why should I not involve myself in such deals and start my own businesses? Ebu ukisikia deals kama hizo, you alert me. Hey, guy. The crazy thing is the willingness to participate. Regina Nims just saying, of course I would. I didn't watch Money Heist from season 1 to 4. Now I'm waiting for season 5 for those landed skills to go to waste. No way. Now Peter and I are like no one's business. Simon, you're saying I would play along like nobody's business. You spare it, the next person will do it. Justice, this is one topic where you'll get 100% honest opinions. Kenyans have learned from the best who are our leaders. Ved Morage Paul Don, you're saying, sure, we live with hopes that corruption will end and things will be well, but the gap between the rich and the poor widens day by day. And not to add the recent mass looting in dams, NYS, we're only left with one option. If you can't beat them, join them. Iko nene. But listen to Hilary Masalila. Morning, Hilary, how are you? You're saying, a faithful man, you're quoting Proverbs 28:20, a faithful man will abound with blessings, but whoever hastens to be rich will not go unpunished. Afadhali niridhike na 1,000 shillings of my sweat than a million of stolen money meant to uplift the poor. Sikia mwalimu, na huyo afadhali aridhike na 1,000 yake.
Sawa. Nela kukaa normally.
Umaskini utakutreat abnormally. This is incredible. Hello.
My darling, Maina, how are you?
Good morning, my sweetheart.
Unauliza jibu ama swali?
Mbona?
Ai, kiutikio vya. Diko ya goko vizeine. Wacha niibe mamilioni na nikuwe nje.
Wacha uibe mamilioni na ukae nje.
Yeah, the same thing uyo kola wa mwisho amesema. Why should I steal 1,000 or I have chicken and then I go in and serve all my years? I wish I can get that chance.
If you got the chance to steal big money today, you would?
Ai, siwezi rudi nyuma. Kwa siku moja, sirisika tu ndio utasikia vile watu wanasikianga. You can't feel the pain. But as you can feel the pain. You don't have anything to eat, you don't have any... Yani, unachukua tu hiyo sau, huyo anasema 1,000, at least akule. So why? If I get a chance, I will.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nani? Habari yako?
Mzuri, utanipata hapa kwa gate.
Basi hata nitakuambia tu kuja unipeleke Ukambani.
Basi.
Wanajua kwetu pengine ni this side hata siendi. Naenda huko Ukambani na nitavaa hata hawatajua. After 5 years and above natokelezea. And life continues.
Wow.
And I live happily.
Okay.
Good day.
Amazing. Hello.
Maina.
Hi, good morning.
Morning, hi.
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Hiyo pesa unachukua. Unachukua and you don't even think twice about it.
You would not feel bad about stealing public money?
Not one bit.
Wow.
Not at all. Zero. If it has to be cash, that's worth it. You can't put your freedom on the line for petty money.
So if
That to be a lot. Kama ni kuiba unaiba mara moja na unamalizana na hiyo story. Maina tumeibiwa sana. Sijui kwa nini Wakikuyu hawakutuambia maneno kitambo. Aki. Unamaliza hiyo maneno. Pesa itakusaidia kabisa. There are a lot of backroom deals that happen everywhere. Forget in politics, everywhere. Inabidi tu umechanuka. Kwa mjanja, uibe na uende na ikusaidie. Don't feel sorry for anyone. Who feels sorry for us?
No one.
No one. No one thinks about us, what we are eating. Why should we think about them? It's about time we be selfish, bana. It's too much. Mi nipatiwe tu.
Okay.
Nipatiwe tu. It's true that the gentleman who just called.
Yeah.
For real, who has been arrested?
No one.
No one. Ni ukweli au whistleblowers ni unapata wanauliwa, wanashikwa. Mwenye ameiba hiyo pesa yote hakuna pali anapelekwa. So you still enough that you'll be able to hunger all these people so you're not arrested.
And that's the formula.
And that's the formula. You don't steal kidogo cash. Anyways, hi, thank you.
Have a good day. This is crazy. Even the ladies would still given a chance. How crazy is that? My goodness. Isn't it incredible what we are willing to do to access funny money? And that's the most astounding thing that I'm getting this morning. We would gladly and ashamedly partake in corruption without blinking an eye. James Kamau Jenga, say hi to your brother, saying he loves to bonge and is a silent listener. Nipatie jina yake tumtambue, asante sana. General Drew the drama, you're loving yourself this morning. Aren't you? You're enjoying yourself, aren't you? Well, so am I. Kush Juma, you're saying you call them shoddy and some prove to be life-changing deals. That's a fact of the matter. Maize Plant Ambassador, good morning. I love your Twitter handle. You're saying hii pesa ya serikali si ya mama ya milk everything you get dry. Lipa mawakili, the likes of my good friends, and you go and do your investments. Hii pesa haina laana. Go share amongst your kingsmen and build royalty there. Isn't it incredible? I find it's incredible the way we are so willing to partake in it. It's madness. Odundo Albert, good morning. You're saying we unasema ata women ogopa wa mama kwanza, hao hawananga breaks wakianza. Umesahau Masai Mara University scandal. This generation is now not even scared of hell. Honesty doesn't count for anything nowadays. Henry Masalila, you're fighting a losing battle. You're saying, what if ni pesa yako imeibiwa? We need to value integrity and trust. I agree with that, by the way. But something tells me it ain't that easy. Hello.
Hello, Maina.
Morning.
Morning to you too.
Yes.
This is Kevin from Utawala.
Yes.
I wanted to contribute to that conversation.
Karibu.
Now, I live in Utawala.
Yeah.
And you see, okay, let me start like this. There's a book I once read. It's called The Selfish Gene by a guy called Richard Dawkins.
Yeah.
And the book says that, you see the genes that makes you look like your father, like makes you look like your mother.
Yeah.
You also have another gene that makes us very selfish as animals.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you are a human or any other animal, even a plant.
Yeah.
So when you hear people talking about, I will not be able to do this, I will not be able to do that,
yeah,
wanajidanganya.
Yeah.
Every human being has something that they need.
Yeah.
And they can go to an extent whereby wanataka kujisaidia wenyewe na watoto wao.
Yeah.
But the biggest problem is the level of corruption.
Yeah.
Every country, even these Americans, Europeans we talk about,
yeah,
even these Chinese, those who are coming to build roads here, they are doing it because of their own selfish interest.
Yeah.
So level ya hiyo corruption inakuwa issue. Like here in Utawala sasa tumekaa kwa jam, and this was a bypass, not like this southern bypass.
Yeah.
So mtu alipatiwa pesa ya kujenga bypass, and then they decide wanakula half of it, wana cause a big traffic jam in the long term, which affects the economy.
Yeah.
Kuwa corrupt, target kukula just 1% of the money, na saidia economy ya nchi iendelee.
Okay.
Issue ni hiyo level. Issue ni level ya corruption. Everyone is corrupt by nature, whether ni nyumbani kwako, una decide ukule nyama zaidi kuliko watoto wako. You're just being corrupt. But the issue is the level.
It is the level.
It is the level. Tusidanganyane hapa ati I'm a Christian, I'm a Muslim, tunazuio. The moment whereby unaengage in a business as a business person, wakati unaambia mtu mwingine I'll pay you this amount of money for your time, you're also stealing that person's time and effort. See, as a CEO, you work less than the employee mwenye anakupikia chai. So you're stealing their time. You're also corrupt. Tusidanganyane.
Okay. All right. My God. Okay, why don't you have the final word, huh? Is there a discussion, though? Hasn't it just been astounding listening to how easily we are prepared to wallow in corruption? It's amazing. Kush Juma, you're saying if you sit back and shy away, your next colleague atapita nayo. Douglas Kiplagat, you're saying, look, think about NYS Part 1 and Part 2, Waluke, Wakungu, Eurobond, Kimorer, Aror Dams, Ngong, Ruaka lands scandals. My unborn baby is already in debt. If I get a good deal, I'll participate and delete evidence. Hata kama ni maisha ya mtu. Guy, Douglas, really? General Drew, the drama, is saying, man, the problem is not the money. The problem here is the title to the money. Money from the employer's salary. Sell drugs, it's drug money. Give it to church, it's called tithe. Offering thanksgiving. Steal from the government, now it's called corruption money. But it's all about how you term the money you make. Incredible. Have the final word. Hello.
Maina, mambo vipi?
Good morning to you.
Guy. Corruption is not coming to an end soon in Kenya.
Aki, haishi.
Hao ni walembo wanaongea hivyo Aki.
Imagine.
Well, what I believe by is that, okay, pesa iwezi pita hivi uiache. I agree on that, But there's one thing I know in this world,
Yeah.
Hard work pays.
Sorry?
Hard work pays.
Yeah.
Hard work pays, regardless of what may believe. Your hands, whatever you do with your own hands, is genuine, and you're going to enjoy it forever. But these shortcuts here, there, whatever, you'll never have peace.
That's true.
You never have peace. So when I hear Kenya talking about this, well, I agree. That means as a part of deal living in Peter Nayo, but what are the consequences? You know, those are the things that you're supposed to check.
Yeah.
Unaweza iba hiyo pesa forever, then you be in jail forever. But I'm really worried with Kenyans the way they are talking. But I don't know. There is no hope of stopping corruption soon. There is no hope. So Uhuru Kenyatta bana ako peke yake. Hiyo ako peke yake, my brother.
Obviously, going by what we've heard this morning, ako peke yake.
Ako peke yake hiyo ajue hivyo. But what check on the other side,
Yeah.
Mine, I want you to imagine, ask that question an American citizen, an original American citizen, atakwambia the other way loud.
Yes.
Atakwambia, well, I believe by hard work,
Yeah.
But come to Kenyans, and why are Kenyans responding this kind of a way? Because walionyeshwa na wazee wao, it's only by stealing you can be able to survive. But you go to the other countries, you'll be told by it is all through hard work you can be able to survive. So this is ni pale tu kwa wale wazee, shida imetokea hapo. Well, no hope.
No hope.
No hope.
Oh my God. Okay,
have a good day.
You too, my brother. Isn't that the saddest thing ever? That there is no hope. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, are you listening? Are you listening?